Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download GTA San Andreas on iOS 18. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, this first method is to just go to iOS App Store and then just search for GTA San Andreas like this, and you can just buy the game and download it. However, if you have a Netflix premium subscription, you can go to the Netflix application, or you can just download the game from here if you have a Netflix membership. As you can see, it says Netflix membership required, or you can just go to the Netflix app, go to Game Plus or something like that, and download GTA San Andreas from there for absolutely free. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then please consider subscribing. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.